Hello? Um, paano ba umpisahan 'to? Okay, wait.
My childhood musings, huh? So naive.
It's so cute. Okay, so anyway, I've been playing a lot of Honkai. Nagsimula ako maglaro like last year, around December, and I've been actively playing. Solely because of him. Like, I've played this game before. I have proof. Asan na ba si Trailblazer? Makikita ko yun, right? Like, kung kailan ko siya nakuha. Saan ba? No. Ah,
Nice.
where do I data bank ba? Oh, fuck. Asan yung data bank? Data bank, okay. Characters. Yan, ayun. This one. Ito. 2023. Yeah. I tried playing before, but I wasn't really like very into it. Like, hindi ako super na-hook. So, tumigil ako. And then I've learned about Finon. Actually, the time na nirelease siya, nakikita ko na siya sa TikTok. Nakikita ko na yung edits, pero hindi ako naglaro for some reason. I don't know. And then, I don't know, parang, all of a sudden, parang gusto kong i-try. And then, I've heard, like, bali-balita na magre-rerun siya. So, I can't remember kung December ko ba siya nakuha. Makikita ko naman yun dito eh. Kailan ko ba siya nakuha? November. Yeah, whatever. November pala ako nag-start. Yeah, actually, makikita ko siya. Sorry po, ulit-ulit. The day na bumalik ako ng Genshin. Honkai, sorry. Ito. Ayan, November din talaga. Kasi the moment na bumalik ako, nakuha ko siya for free. Anyway, so, I've been playing a lot because of him. He's a fine one. I really adore his character. I've heard tales and stories of how much of a great guy he is. And I've read an article before na sabi similar siya to Himmel ng Frieren. So, yeah, I can vouch to that. They're very similar in a lot of ways. And ang pogi niya lang talaga. Like, look at him. So, yeah, pinol ko siya and I've been actively playing. Hindi pa ako gumagasa sa laro na to, thankfully. And now, ang goal ko is makuha yung Eidolons niya. At least up until E2. And then yung weapon niya. So far, savings ko, eto lang. Ang PT ko sa character banner is 40 or 30. Ganon din sa weapon. Parehas 50-50. Sa character 50-50. Dito wala pa ako nakukuha sa Lycon. Never pa ako nakakuha ng 5-star dyan. Let's see. Yeah, hindi pa talaga. I mean, oh my god, ano pa yun? Anyways, makikita naman siya sa Lycon. Oh, may 5-star weapons pala. But, these are all, hindi pa lahat. These are standard. Yung iba cleaning sa shop. Ito sa, ito, tsaka ito sa standard. And then itong, dalawa lang is cleaning ko sa shop. And yeah, hopefully I get lucky because I've been grinding. Genuinely, I've been grinding. Ito ginawa ko na. Girl, max ko na yung max. Currency Wars, max. And then, yung mga events. Ayan, ito. May mga recent kong nagawa. Dito sa baba. Ayan. This. Yung mga event. So, ito yung latest. Yeah. Wala pa akong ginagastos. Hopefully, makuha ako. Bruh. Honestly, natatempt kong kunin si Blade because damn, he looks good. Then, may cosmetic kasi naman. It's cool, but hindi ko priority. And honestly, nakaka-proud na ang dami kong na-save. Look at this. I have... Oh, wow. Honestly, ito yung pinakamarami kong na-save in a long while. Because usually, kapag may ganito akong amount, girl, natatempt talaga ako mag-wish. But I'm not doing that. Kasi hinihintay ko si Finan. Sana umuwi siya. Sana hindi ako matalo. Kasi iiyak ako. No, Finan.
So this was my childhood dream, huh?
Yep. Anyways, nasa kaya siya? Siya dito. Nandun siya sa... dito. Yup. Final! Certified final lover. Wow. Yup.